Are you struggling to excel in maths? Here are 5 study tips to help you become a maths topper. Understand the basics. Make sure you have a strong foundation in the fundamental concepts before moving on to more advanced topics. Practice regularly. The key to mastering maths is practice. Set aside time each day to work on problem solving and equations. Seek help when needed. Don't be afraid to ask your teachers or classmates for help if you're having trouble with a specific topic. Stay organized. Keep your notes and study materials in order so you can easily review and revise when needed. Stay motivated. Set goals for yourself and reward your progress. Remember, hard work and dedication will pay off in the end. Follow these study tips, and you'll be on your way to the top of your maths class in no time. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more study tips and motivation.